respected sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. I wish Happy Independence Day to all. My name is Rupam Chudka from Standard 7th Rose. Today I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. In India, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. It is celebrated to remember the day we got freedom from the British in 1947. Many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Kartar Singh Sarabai sacrificed their life for our country to get freedom. We should remember the sacrifices of our leaders and people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से आज तिरंगा लहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से। आजादी के लिए हमारी इतनी लंबी लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों के प्राणों के लिए कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी।
तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन हो, माथे पे बिंदिया, साडा हर जन्म कुर्बान तेरे तो।
जां तो वध सानू प्यारी साडी धरती मां, खूने जिगर तो लिख चले मिट्टी दे नाम।
महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग
जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
Morning everyone, very Reverend Principal Sister Marita Thomas and my dear teachers, parents and all my dear children. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because this is the day when India got freedom from the British rulers after too long period of struggle. On this day, we pay homage to our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sarojini Naidu, and many others who sacrificed their lives to get the freedom of our country. Do you know on this day in 1947 that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru addressed the Constituent Assembly at the Parliament, giving his famed eloquent speech Tryst with Destiny, declaring India's freedom at midnight. This declaration brought about a rise in spirits all over our country. For India was finally realizing a dream to be an independent nation, free from oppression and domination of the British rule. It was a remarkable historic day as India finally took off the shackles of British rule and became independent. It was a great celebration all over the country. This year, in 2021, India has completed 74 years of its freedom from the colonial rule and will celebrate its 75th Independence Day. This day commences with flag hosting ceremonies, parades, and all-day various types of cultural programs are organized in all over India, in schools, colleges, and government offices. The President and Prime Minister of India deliver message to the country. After flying the national flag at the Red Fort, the Prime Minister gives a speech on some past achievements of our country, some moral issues of present time, and calls for the further achievements. The Prime Minister also salutes and pays homage to the oblation of the legendary patriots and freedom fighters of our country in his speech, as well as we too pay homage to our flag, and it should continue in our life by following the regulations and constitutions of our country. Now in present time, in our country, India, this increased lots of evil issues such as terrorism, corruption, women oppression, and many more. All these evils really spoil our culture very badly. We should all take pledge to make India safe and worth living for each day and every Indian of the society. As Christianity says, love others as you love yourselves. So let us love our country and have unity in diversity. Jai Hind.